again.
Welcome to Verizon. I'm the Verizon assistant.
Para español, oprima 9.
Verizon and our partners may record or monitor this call for quality, systems training, and personalization.
I guess I'm a Verizon partner now.
Some responses are generated by AI.
Yeah, I know.
And accuracy may vary.
Yeah, accuracy sucks.
I'm sorry, I didn't get that. Are you calling about services associated with the number?
Yes.
1. Just a moment, please.
One moment, please. To verify your account, I can text you a one-time PIN to the mobile number ending with...
Yes.
You've asked to speak with someone. Okay, let's continue for now, and I may ask to verify your account later. Are you calling to discuss pricing on your account?
Customer service.
Our digital assistant is available to chat right now to help you with that. I've texted a link to your mobile phone on file. Click the link to start chatting. When you connect to our digital assistant, this call will end, or remain on the line to continue here. I have texted the link. Please click the link to start chatting. When you connect to our digital assistant, this call will end.
Customer service. It's painful.
Please briefly describe the reason for your call today.
Customer service.
Got it. To get you to the right person, tell me a little more about what you need.
Mobile fraud.
One moment, please. I'll transfer you to someone who can assist you. For our privacy policy, visit verizon.com/privacy. During this call, your account may be reviewed for recommendations and offers. Security is our top priority. Before a representative can help you, please have your order number or PIN ready.
Your wait time to speak with a call center agent may be as long as 21 minutes. To have us call you back at a different time, say, schedule a callback. Or to continue to hold on the line for the next available agent, you can say, I'll wait.
Schedule a call back.
To schedule your callback for tomorrow, say tomorrow. For other available days, say other.
I'll wait.
I'm sorry, I didn't get that. To schedule your callback for tomorrow, say tomorrow or press 1. For other available days, say other or press 2. To schedule callback on June 6th,
What the
say
fuck?
June 6th, or press 1, June 7th. Say June 7th, or press 2.
Customer
June
service.
9th. To schedule callback on
No.
June 6th. All of our agents are currently assisting other callers. An agent will be available to answer your call. Please hold for the next available agent. Verizon and our partners
See, the
may
last
record
time,
or monitor this call for quality,
I had an
system training,
option
and
to
personalization.
not lose my place in line, and they'd call me back. This time, they didn't give me that option. All right, we'll be back when they answer.
Log into a website to manage your
Log in.
account.
No, you
Do
can't
people
log
still
in.
do that?
Hi, Robert.
Get the
In order to
Verizon.
fully get into your account, I'll send you a temporary PIN number to the cell phone on file. If you can just tell me what it is when you get it, please.
Okay. It is 2382.
I'm sorry, what was it?
2382.
One moment. All right, we're in your account now. What can I do for you today?
All right, so before I explain my problem, I've already called, waited on hold for over 30 minutes, got transferred 3 times. Then when I finally got to the person that I was supposed to talk to, she couldn't hear me and disconnected the call. So I just wanted to explain to you why there might be some frustration in my voice.
I gotcha. Let's do this in case we get disconnected so that you don't have that issue. What's the best phone number to call you back? Is it that mobile ending in 0391?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So I gotcha.
But you're not going to disconnect me. The person that I need to talk to is the one that's going to disconnect me.
No, I gotcha. But what I'm saying is just so that you don't have to worry about, getting where you need to be and then you get disconnected.
Okay.
If we do get disconnected, I'll call you back.
All right. So I had a third-party Verizon salesman sell me mobile service. I'm a Verizon internet customer. He comes to the house Monday night, sells me mobile service. So I got 5 lines that I'm transferring over from AT&T. The order went through. He got all the confirmations on his end, but I never got any of the emails with the tracking information for the new phones or the confirmation. And this morning, him and his team at his office calls into Verizon to find out what the status is, and they were told it was held up in the fraud department and that I had to call up and straighten it out with the fraud department. They wanted to do a third-party call, and I didn't feel comfortable with that, being that they weren't actual Verizon employees. They're a subcontractor. So I said, I'm going to call Verizon myself and speak to the fraud department and get it cleared up.
Let me ask you this, Robert, just because what I don't want you to do, since you've already been waiting so long, I don't want to have you, speaking and then I'm not the right area. So you're calling about cell phone services?
Correct.
All right, I don't handle cell phone. I handle Fios only.
I understand
for your home internet.
I understood that. That's that. So the last phone call, your counterpart transferred me to somebody in mobile, who then transferred me to somebody in fraud, and that's when I got disconnected.
Okay, so let's do this. I'll do you one better. Let me give you the 1-800 number for mobile. That way you have it yourself, because typically there's no transfer that we normally would do. Because I can't transfer you to fraud or anything. But I'll give you the mobile number. And then, yes, from there they can get you to the mobile fraud department, because my fraud department wouldn't,
Right. Well, that's what they did. They transferred me to mobile.
I understand.
Okay.
I'm going to give you the 1-800 number for mobile.
Okay.
You'll call mobile and give them your, information, and then they'll get you to the right area from there. Okay?
Yes, please give me the number, but you can't transfer me to mobile?
No, I can give you the number, and then you'll just dial it directly.
Okay.
Let me know whenever you're ready, Robert.
I'm ready.
All right, it's 1-800.
Yep.
922.
Yep.
0204.
922-0204. Okay. Hold on 1 second, please.
Right, and just, yeah.
That's the number that I called to get to you.
So what you'll do is you want to make sure, because our number usually, keep in mind, we're all one company, so both numbers will get you both places. But you got to hold and just press the right button. Sometimes if you hold too long, it'll get you to the home side.
No. I called the number you just gave me, and that's why I'm speaking to you.
I gotcha. That's the phone number for wireless, though, so you have to press
That's the number that I called. I did. That's what I'm trying to tell you. I did that.
Yeah. I just work here. I got you. You're going to call it again, and then you're going to press the option for wireless.
You do understand how ridiculous. There is no option for wireless. They don't give you an option for wireless.
For wireless, their phone number.
Listen, I'm not only am I calling you, I'm recording on video the phone call, and I just went through the menu. I went through the menu, and there is no option for wireless. They changed the menu. You don't know the menu. I've been calling so many times, I know the menu. There is no option for wireless. They ask you what you want.
Right. Hold on 1 second, and then you say wireless or mobile, and it will get you to mobile. It's not.
I said mobile. I said mobile fraud.
I hear you, Robert. I can only tell you I'm not the right department, and that's the number for wireless.
But that's the number that I called.
Okay?
I called that number, and I got you.
I'm not disputing that you did. You're going to call it again.
And I'm going to wait 20 minutes again. I just waited 20 minutes for you. Calling the number that you just gave me.
Control the wait times, unfortunately.
But you understand can you understand how ridiculous what you're doing?
I understand.
So why would you tell me to call you back again?
I'm not telling you to call me back. Our number is 1-800-VERIZON, which is 837-4966.
That's not the number that I called.
I don't have a different number for wireless.
But
Robert, respectfully, I gave you the phone number. I can't go back and forth with you. What I've given you is what I have.
that's the number I called and got you.
Okay.
I called that number. This is insane. You want me to call the same number I just called twice? You don't see the insanity in that?
I've already answered that question for you, Robert.
Okay, well.
All right, I'm going to call you back again then. Holy shit. This is the stupidest shit. This is the stupidest shit. You gotta be fucking kidding me.
Just as long as you yell.
This is what I mean. This is the fucking world we live in.
You're way too angry about this.
How many fucking times do I have to call?